We'll guide you through how to take a photo with the GPS location. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is cool to do because then if you go and look back at the photo in a certain gallery or photo app, you can often go and have them placed on a map and you can go and see where the photo was taken. I think it's really cool to be able to do. So we're going to guide you through step by step on how this is done. So to go and get started, let's come into the camera like so. Then it's going to go and open up as you can see. Now what we need to do is we need to go and head to the top left and there you're going to go and find a gear cog icon. That's going to be the settings. You can tap there. As you can see, camera settings is now opened. Scroll down and you want to go and find the option location tags. It says add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. So we can go and switch that on. That's it. Now when you go and take the photo, the location tag is now going to go and be added. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.